So sleep is a part of our automatic nervous system. And again, this is how all diseases or all health challenges, or to maintain optimal health, you've got to look at a balance in the nervous systems. And there's two parts of the nervous system. One part keeps you alive under stress. That's the sympathetic. The other part regenerates tissue. That's the parasympathetic. Now, the sympathetic is called fight or flight. The parasympathetic is rest, digest, and repair or rebuild. Now, generally, the sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight, is activated during the day, generally. And generally, the parasympathetic is activated at night. So we have this balance of how the system is supposed to work. Picture a caribou being chased by a wolf. I saw this the other night on Discovery Channel. It was really cool. I mean, you know, I know the wolf has kids and stuff, but I was rooting for the caribou. So you get this young teenage caribou running through the swamplands and everything else, chased by two wolves. And I'm thinking, man, that caribou is done. Well, no, the way the announcer happened and what the end result was is the caribou outlasted the wolves. And I thought, that's amazing. And then they show the caribou a few minutes later, after being chased by the wolves, you know, it's back in the herd, and it's sitting around munching on the grass, relaxing, nuzzled by a couple of the larger caribou. And I thought, man, that is so brilliant, because the fight or flight or sympathetic activity in that caribou to survive that attack, I mean, we're talking life-threatening attack, instantly changed to the rest, digest, and repair mode. And animals have the ability to turn that and to switch off. And they've done this for centuries. Well, now let's talk about the human animal species. The human animal, under those, we have to respond the same way. However, modern stresses, and we're talking driving to work, or home stresses, or children's stresses, television stresses. You know, you come home, you know, after a long day at work, and then you watch a really cool fight scene on TV. I'm going to tell you, that's going to initiate the sympathetic nervous system. So we're constantly in a sympathetic dominant state, and that suppresses our digest, repair, and rebuild state, our parasympathetic. So when we're talking about health, it's really an autonomic nervous system function. And one of the main factors, and I mean main factors, that is overlooked by so many people is sleep.